she's a part of my family, and in fact, if my little brother had it his way, he would have made it official. So Jen, way to dodge that. That's not a joke. It's true. Jenna is a fiercely loyal
All right, it's now time for our father-daughter dance. So Jenna and Ron, if you wouldn't mind taking the center of the dance floor. All right, now it's time for our mother-son dance. So I need Melody and Griffin up here to the center of the dance floor. They're going to be sharing the mother-son dance to a beautiful song entitled "You Are the Sunshine of My Life." Everybody, let's make some more noise for Jenna and Griffin one more time. Alright, at this time we're going to make our way down to the driveway for the send-off, the official send-off.